Hello, welcome to Nootsie Yoga. Today we're going to do a 15-minute beginner energizing yoga sequence. This is great to do first thing in the morning if you feel like you need a little energy, or during the day if you have something big where you need a little pick-me-upper. This is a super energizing yoga sequence. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with a little bit of breath work. And I love breath work. I do a lot of breath work personally. It's just a biohack. It just brings energy to the body, brings clarity to the mind. And then we're gonna link our breath with our movement for our sequence. So we're just gonna start right where we are. I want you to do your feet about shoulder width apart, toes out just a little bit. And then we're going to roll the shoulders down and back, tucking the tailbone down, pulling the spine in towards or navel in towards the spine, lifting through the crown of the head, hands together, bringing the thumbs to the heart center. So as we lift through the crown, we're going to close our eyes and we're going to breathe in and out of our nose with our lips together. So listening for your breath. Inhale and exhale. Calming the mind. Inhale and exhale. Tuning into the heart. Inhale and exhale. All right, now we're going to do the breath work. The arms go up, out, over the head, and then when you bring them down, you want a deep bend in your knee with a ha. So it goes in for a third, in for a third, in for a third, and ha. So I'm going to do it once, and then I'd like for you to join in with me. This feels amazing. You're going to love it. So feet shoulder distance apart. Here we go. Here we go. Last one. Good. Bring it all the way up. Holding the hands above the head, holding the breath for a 3 count. And exhale, pushing the air down. Great. You can feel the body start to heat up. So let's get right into half sun salutation. So if you have a mat, come to the front of the mat. Having those toes out just a little bit, tailbone down, shoulders down and back. Here we go. Inhale. Now really pressing the air down. Back to inhale. Going right into our forward fold with a deep bend in the knee. Keeping that deep bend. You want the head relaxed. Let it dangle. Rear end up towards the ceiling. Relaxing the head. Inhale and exhale out the mouth. Good. Now we're going to drag the palms up the shins or above the knees, whichever is more comfortable for a half lift. But what you want to do is keep a micro bend in the knee, pulling the navel in, and you activate the backs of your legs by pressing the palms into the legs. Inhale and exhale out of the nose and forward fold. All right, one breath, one movement, bringing it all the way up on the inhale. Exhale, pushing the air down. Inhale, forward fold. Half lift, inhale. Pushing against the legs, navel in. Exhale, forward fold, coming all the way up. Good job. Exhale, pushing it down. Inhale, arching the back, looking up. Forward fold. Last one, bringing it up, half lift. And forward fold, bending those knees. Now coming up with the hands on the hips, we're going to go back with a wide step. And you want this back center of the foot in line with the front heel. So adjust your legs if you need to. We're going to straighten the legs, hands up over the head, not the shoulders up, but bringing the shoulders down, keeping the belly engaged. Let's inhale and exhale out of the nose. Good. Now we're going to inhale and exhale, coming into warrior 2. Looking over the middle finger. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to link those. Here we go. Inhale, straight leg. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, straight leg. Exhale, warrior two. Building up that energy. And exhale. Good. And inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. All right, now we're going to reach forward to reverse our warrior. Hand on the thigh or coming down the leg. Nice stretch in the side body, looking up. Good. Inhale and exhale out the nose. Coming back to warrior two. Straightening that leg, turning the toes in, heels out, hands on the hips. We're going to do a forward fold right here with the wide legs. Coming down. Good. Hands are underneath the shoulders. We're going to forward fold all the way down. Half lift. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Left hand down underneath the face, twisting it up. Good. Hand down, twisting it up. Good. Hand down, rolling up. And now we're going to take that right leg towards the back of the mat. Straighten the leg, hand above the head. Inhale, exhale out the nose to warrior two on the exhale. Linking those. Inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. Building up that heat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Coming forward to come back. Reverse warrior. Good. Coming back to warrior two. Straightening that leg. Turning those toes forward. Now we're going to go heels in, toes out. We're going to come down to a goddess pose. And we're going to inhale and exhale. Building up that energy. Last one. And all right, hands on the hips. Now we're going to go hop, hop, hop. Hops are energizing. Come to the front of the mat. Arms up, pushing down. Here we go. Up, forward fold, half lift, and forward fold. Coming down to tabletop, we're going to go into cat-cow. Hands tracking underneath the shoulders, curling the toes, lifting the chest, still keeping the belly in, and exhale. Tucking, really rounding like the cat, pressing the palms into the mat, finding space in the back body and the shoulder blades, opening the chest, curling the toes, tucking, and coming up, opening the chest, opening the heart, and tucking. Good. Now we're going to press up to downward facing dog. Want the heels high, bending the knees, hands a little bit wider than the shoulders with the palms out to protect the wrists. Rearing up towards the ceiling. Really bending the knees, bringing the torso in. Back down to knees. We're going to bring the right leg forward. Move that back knee back, and you're going to have the thigh pressing in towards the mat. Knee over the ankle. We're going to bring the arms up. On the inhale, cactus. On the exhale, opening the chest. Here we go. Inhale and exhale. If you feel wobbly, just tighten up the thighs towards one another. Exhale, opening the chest. One more. Exhale. All right. Bringing that leg back. Now we're going to bring the left leg forward. We're going to press that thigh down, knee over the ankle. Here we go. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. All right, hands down. And then we're gonna go bring back to tabletop, to downward facing dog. So we want those feet hip distance apart, lifting the heels, bending the knees. Take those hands out. And we're gonna lift that rear end up towards the ceiling. Good, bringing the torso in towards the thighs as we lift the rear end and bend the knees. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. All right, we're just gonna lift that right leg up and bring it back down. Inhale, left leg up, bring it back down. Exhale, right leg. Exhale, left leg. And exhale, right leg. Exhale. Good, and exhale. All right, bringing the knees down. Okay, we're gonna come into garland pose. So I'm gonna face you. If you wanna face me, that's great. So you're gonna have your feet wider than shoulder distance apart, toes pointing out. This is such a great hip opener. So you wanna gently press the elbows against the insides of the knees. You can either bring your hands to prayer if you need a little bit more. You can bring your fists together. And then you're gonna gently open up the hips, allowing that rear end to come down towards the mat, shoulders back, lifting through the crown of the head. Inhale and exhale. Just relax those hips, let them open up. Good, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. All right, hands down, and bringing those toes in just a little bit. We're gonna roll up one vertebrae at a time, just gently rolling up. Big breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. All right, we're gonna cross the left foot behind the right foot, okay? Just have the right hand down. We're gonna take it over to the side. Good, little chandelier action. And now you're just gonna grab that wrist and pull, opening up the side body. Great job. All right, coming up forward and back down. Cross the other leg behind. Hand down. Reaching over, looking up if you can, grabbing a hold of the wrist, gently pulling, opening up the side body, getting space. All right, here we go. A few more breaths right here. Inhale and exhale. One more, inhale, bringing hands down through heart center. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love it, and it would help me out a lot if you would like and subscribe to my channel. So let's just bow our heads and all say together, Namaste.